Hey everyone, I'm Krista Seiden, and I'm here today to talk to you about getting started with the new Google Analytics 4 property. I'm super excited about this, as I hope you are too. So let's go ahead and dive into the slide deck for a quick overview. To set the stage, it's no secret that we're living through a period of immense change, and end user privacy is top of mind. Around the world, regulatory changes such as CCPA and GDPR have raised the bar for end user privacy. Browsers and other platforms are making changes to core technologies, such as cookies, that measurement systems have relied on for years. And end users themselves are demanding more transparency and control over how their data gets used. At the same time, the amount of data that's being generated from countless business touchpoints and platforms that customers interact with continues to increase exponentially. So businesses are investing in analytics to navigate all of this, which is why, according to Forbes, 50% of businesses say that big data and analytics have fundamentally changed business practices in their sales and marketing departments. And that's why Google is investing too. With Google Analytics, the mission is to build a unified offering for user-centric analytics across app and web for all clients. The GA team is building on what you know today as the app and web property beta, and leveraging this new infrastructure to power the next generation of Google Analytics. App and web properties are graduating from beta and are being renamed to Google Analytics 4 properties. More importantly, they will become the default for when new properties are created in Google Analytics. At a high level, there are 3 areas that set the new Google Analytics 4 property apart. First, it's built with machine learning at its core to automatically uncover insights from your data that you can use to improve your marketing. Second, it provides a more complete understanding of your full customer lifecycle, from acquisition to retention, by bringing together data across app and web at scale. Third, it's built to be durable. It will scale with your business, and looking ahead, it will work with or without cookies and take advantage of modeling so that you can learn about your customers even with gaps in your data. So with that, let's talk a little more about the features you'll find in the new Google Analytics experience. There are several new and exciting features that are now available in Google Analytics 4 properties. First, event editing and synthesis. This allows you to modify and collect new events and conversions without writing code. You can do this within the UI. Next, we have data import. And these capabilities have been expanded with both the measurement protocol, which is now available for app and web events, and with dimension widening, so you can use data that you can upload directly. Then we have cross-domain measurement. Not only is this now supported, but it's now easier to set up because you can do it from within the UI without writing code. Then there's new lifecycle reporting. The team has worked hard to reorganize and simplify reporting, basing it around the customer lifecycle. And they've expanded it to include e-commerce reporting, which is one of the most requested and important features to businesses today. It's now easier for you to adopt Google Analytics 4 properties because there are new migration tools. There's a new setup assistant, which is a one-stop shop for all of your setup resources and tools, which includes a new Getting Started wizard, which automates the setup process in just a few clicks. And finally, there's a new streamlined onboarding flow, making Google Analytics 4 properties the new default when you create a new property in Google Analytics. So as you can see, there's a lot of new and exciting features in Google Analytics 4, and the future is looking bright. So go ahead and get started today with dual setup, meaning keep your current Universal Analytics property, but go ahead and get started with a Google Analytics 4 property so that you can leverage the exciting advancements that are coming with GA4 properties.